Is this TORRAS Q3 Ostand case going to be worth it for your 17 Pro Max in 2026? Let's find out. When it comes to protection, you do have a lens protector piece that does hang over that whole lens area. So you can see that it does pop out over those lenses. So if you drop your phone camera lens side down, it's going to hit that popped out piece first. Nice hard backing, so already going to be great for shock absorption. But then on the top and the bottom of the phone case, you have a whole entire air bubble that goes over those edges. And usually you see these on all four corners of phone cases, but TORRAS actually put it on the whole entire top and also around the whole entire bottom right here as well. When it comes to the convenient features of the case, you have the MagSafe ring right here in the middle, which does flip out into a kickstand. And this also does turn 360 as well, so you can get a ton of different angles when it comes to how you want to view your phone. Or you can even turn it sideways, use it as a ring so you have more grip when holding your phone or more leverage. And if you turn it 180 and push it down a little bit more, you can actually do it both ways. So you can use this horizontally as well as a ring holder, so you have more grip if you're taking videos or photos horizontally. Plus the use of MagSafe accessories, so all MagSafe accessories will be compatible with it too. Both sides also have extra grip as well, so if you're going to be on the phone doing calls or anything like that, or just holding your phone in general, you can work your fingers into those grooves, which is going to get you extra grip. And then of course you have that built-in camera action button, so you still get access to that while using your 17 Pro Max. Overall, if you are looking for a more upgraded 17 Pro Max case that's going to be great for daily use and for protection, would definitely recommend this one from TORRAS. Has everything you need, even has a great design for that new 17 Pro Max. Plus you can color match these with your 17 Pro Max's color, which is what I did. I got the orange on orange, and you can even customize it even more with the extra buttons they give you, so you can slap those on to the buttons of the case too.